campaign. Agriculture Minister Ampreen Lyngdoh on Tuesday informed that the future plans of the state government are to include more products to the list of One District, One Product (ODOP) of the state. While speaking during the ODOP media event held at the banquet hall of the Pinewood Hotel, Lyngdoh said that the state is considering sending a proposal to DPIIT ODOP team to include other secondary products such as rindia, that is Eri Silk, for Ribhoi District, Black Pottery, Kiranai, for West Janti Hills District, and Bamboo or Cane Handicrafts for East Khasi Hills District. She further said that the state is working for the successful implementation of ODOP and working towards building a more inclusive, resilient and prosperous state.
We are a new set of institutes, all focused on training farmers to become successful. Now in the state of Meghalaya, we have multiple producers being produced randomly across the state. One farmer will have multiple cropping. We're not saying that multiple cropping is not a good practice. We're saying that it's also good for the soil, it's good for the livelihood of the farmers. But we would like now to organize our districts to focus on at least one main product.